Power Target Trades, Power Trick or Trade.
All right, people, I got a great winning plan here to show you. A great way to start December 2018. Like I promised, higher markets. So let's take a look at Amazon here. So here I posted the November the 29th Amazon plan. Now, this is the first plan I focused on. I'm going to show you this. I did a lot of updates on Amazon on November the 29th, okay? So I said Amazon has a powerful signal in place. The December '07 calls will be in focus. So basically what I had here in the original plan was the December 1700 calls. You can see that over here. And at the time, at 9:51 a.m., they cost $2,640. Now, we didn't buy these ones. Okay, I'm going to tell you the story. But here's what I want you to understand what I said. I said, Amazon, once over 1683, a powerful signal will be in place based on my rules. So I am giving the heads up. Well, December the 3rd, boom, we popped higher, people. Oh, the big smile on my face. All right, now, odds favor Amazon to move a lot. Support today is 1650. Now, what happens was Amazon happened to pull back. So let me get to the story here. So I want you to understand here. See at 1650, that's a support I'm talking about. So that's another entry point. Now, I didn't buy, Amazon pulled back close to that, about 10 bucks above that point. And that's where I decided to buy the 1720 calls on support. There were two plays. We were going to buy the confirmation, which made great gains, 250% gains. But if you bought the support play like I did, you made about 350% gains today. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you. All right, now. So we're going to go up here. And I said over here, I made another update. Amazon, the December '07 1720 call options could be used. The price is easier to hold. So I made an update over here. And I talked about the confirmation being 2400, but that's not what the confirmation was. Okay, it actually ended up costing higher. So I said over here, Amazon supports 1648. So we could look to buy the Amazon December, I said, but buy the Amazon December '07 1720 calls here at 1680 per option and hold as long as the stock stays above 1645. So I happen to get in $1,690 per option. So I gave the heads up. Now I want to show you something. So here I said I bought the Amazon. Now I want to prove a point here. Now, as I said this, I'm going to show you, I took a snapshot. Now, let's say you didn't buy that when I said that, when I posted that. There was plenty of times after that post, and the options did go up, but they were buyable at least easily in the $1,750, $1,750, and that's if you wanted to buy, you were enthused, you know. Or you had to buy confirmation, right? Or you could have paid $1,800. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you the options here. So I'm going to show you. So here's 11:21 a.m. and you can see I took a snapshot here. I did this very documented to show in this video. I want you to take a look here. The options over here. As you can see, the 1,720 calls, they cost $1,730 at the time. So what that means is that it was easy to buy the options at least at $1,750 to $1,800, which is $1,800 per option. Now, you're going to see the outcome today, December the 3rd. You're going to see it. All right, let me close this up here. So then I started making more updates, showing the options again, how they're going up. And you can see here's a snapshot of the options costing $2,100. So they went up. So if you listen to me, you're already up $300 per option. So I was showing the snapshots, right? And then I also said now those Amazon December '07 options are now $2,400. I think this is a snapshot of it. Right, you can see here. This is you can see here's the price of Amazon. It was $1,677, and the options at the time were, as you can see, $2,400. Right over here. I'm gonna look over here, the arrow, and now I took it off. $2,400. All right. Here's another snapshot as we catch another big move in Amazon. Okay, this was November the 29th at 12:45 p.m. and that is the price. Amazon was at 1,677. Well, today, if you see, we're obviously, I'll show you. We'll see. I'll show you where Amazon is today in the charts. I'm gonna show you, people. Woohoo! What a fantastic day, people! It's so great to be in my group. It's so great to be led by the big picture leader. So let me show you the confirmation here. Let me go up here. So here it is, November. Amazon confirming with the December 07 7-20 call. So, and it cost $2,600. Okay. So we had to pay up. If you waited for confirmation, you had to pay up. But the options definitely were easy to buy at $2,600. And guess what? It ended up positive right on that same day, even if you bought it there. A winner beyond winner. That is skill. Let's take a look at the options today. Let me show you the outcome today. Let's take a look together, people. Let's take a look. All right, so here's a snapshot. You can see here, December 3rd at 9:47 a.m., right? You see that Amazon was much higher, actually, right? But you can see here as a snapshot when the price was at 1,762. So that's practically over 100 points higher from where we got into it, right? And here's the beautiful one. This 1,720 calls, right over here, okay? They are $6,000 a piece practically, right? You can see the bid ask. I didn't get out at this point, but the options went even higher because they hit a high of $7,000 per option. Okay, so you see that means for 50, when you see 660.50, that means 6,000 or $60 per option, 60.50, which is translates to $6,050 per option. So basically, if you bought it at $2,600 per option and you sold at this point here, you're up roughly 250%, greater than 250%. I had a stop at $5,600 option. It got hit and then went back up. But guess what? I mean, I always take profits at 100%. I took I was more than happy to take 350% gains because I bought it at $1,690. So I was up 350% gains practically, especially here, or at least 300% gains. So people, that's what you see. I'm in a great super mood. And I did this while there was a lot of fear in the market, a lot of uncertainty. But it's about understanding what the market is saying. And this is a skill beyond a skill. That's why you want to be led by the big picture leader. All right, now let me show you something. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade Confirmation Scheme. You want to get yourself inside a power group trades. Study this pin tweet video. Let's go to my YouTube channel. So this is the pin tweet video right over here. Study it. Word for word. Listen to what I am saying. Get yourself in. Make sure you come to my live streams as well. Big Picture Leader. Go to my YouTube channel. Right here's the link. Okay? And it will bring you to my YouTube. It'll bring you to my YouTube channel. Okay? And you're gonna look for something called a created playlist. You want to study that, right? You want to study all kinds of videos on my channel, but the created playlist has the winning plans that I put in there and I update it when I have a chance. Like this video that you're watching right now, this Amazon greater than 300% gains or greater than 200% gains, depending on when you enter, I'm going to call it. But it's actually greater than all that. But that's what I'm going to call it because that's what it is. People, because it's in a fluctuation, but greater than 200 or greater than 300% gains in large priced options. Let me see how many people can do this kind of skill and give this kind of advice. And inside my group, everybody witnessed me talking about Amazon, explaining the Amazon, posting the plans, getting into the plans. People, I'm a big picture expert. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have one already, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Let's see what Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. Now that we just finished watching that video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to study my creative playlist, a wealth of information. From plans from start to the confirmation to the end result. Powerful, powerful time-consuming videos I've made for you to study, for you to witness, for you to grow mentally, for you to succeed. People, we are now witnessing the premiere in health and wealth, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget